All right, guys. So, quick unboxing to kick off the weekend. I've got a couple pretty cool ones for you guys. First up is going to be a watch from Christopher Ward. What's kind of neat about this one, at least for me, is this is the first non diver I've had in from the brand. So, I'm excited about that. The second watch, I am way late to the party on this brand. The brand is Zelos, and this is their latest release. I've seen a couple of their watches in person, and they are absolutely awesome. So, really excited about that one too. But let's just get right straight to it and check out the watches. All right, so last time I did an unboxing of a Christopher Ward, they kind of tricked me and I tried to open it with a knife only to find out that they have these nice little pull tabs to open the box. This one's partially pulled open. It must have came open a little bit during shipping, but move the knife out of the way and get into the box. And there we have it. Christopher Ward definitely knows how to package their watches well. There's one other thing in the box I'll show you here in a second. So we'll get the outer box off, the sleeve. And inside we have some paperwork. This one has some warranty information. They have the famous 60/60 guarantee. You have 60 days to return your watch for a refund if you aren't completely satisfied, and then 60 months warranty after that. So that's a really nice thing to have. We have our instruction manual here, and I don't know if you guys saw the name of the watch there, but they do have an instruction manual specifically for each watch, not one generic one. We've got in here a wipe cloth, and then the watch. And there it is. This is the Christopher Ward Cranwell. This is from their military line. We'll get some plastic off here. And there it is. Nice winding action. The Cranwell, I believe that's named after an Air Force college. And I believe also on the back here we have the Royal Air Force badge stamped. So pretty nice looking aviation watch. This is a reinterpretation of JLC and IWC's pilots' watches from the 1940s. It's a specific model, I believe. When I do the full video, we'll get into that a little bit more, but the other great thing about this watch is it is COSC certified, and that was the paper that was at the bottom of the box. So we have the results of the certification, and again, this will be something that we'll go through in the full review of the watch. I have something planned for the review of this watch. It's actually a little bit weather dependent, but it could possibly be one of the most fun videos I put together and put out on the channel. So we'll hopefully be able to do that here in the next week or two, possibly even this weekend. Again, depending on the weather, it's a little bit unpredictable here in Canada sometimes, but we've got a nice looking leather strap with quick release. Goes great with the watch. Nice finish work. Nice oversized signed crown. Cool. I'll give you guys a quick look on wrist. And there it is. And there's some really nice lines on this case. Some nice polished beveled edges. Lots of nice brushwork. It's a great looking watch, and should be a fun one to wear over the next few days. So that is it for now on the Christopher Ward. Let's move over to the Zelos. All right, so last but not least, we have the Zelos. I am super pumped about this one. So get into the bag here. Using the Victorinox today. I might have to open it up a little bit more. There we go. Get the garbage out of the way. All right. Okay. Got the nice little gold Zelos logo on the outer sleeve. Whew. Wooden box with the engraved logo. And well, this is pretty nice. This is the first time seeing their packaging, at least in person. I've seen some videos with it before, but the travel roll looks really nice. I like that. Oh yeah, that is gorgeous. And there is the watch. This is the Zelos Horizons. I wasn't sure what colorway I was going to be getting, but man, that is gorgeous with the gray little pop of orange on the bezel. Take the plastic off. First thing you got to do is check that bezel action. It's pretty nice. Wow. So some of the other models I've seen from Zelos, I can't remember I saw the Swordfish, and there was another model that was a monstrous watch. It was really nice. I can't remember if it's called the Hammerhead. I'm not 100% sure, but one of the ones that I had seen in person was massive. It was a huge beast of a watch, but really cool. Very nice clasp. Looks like we have a dive extension. There's a bunch of plastics on here I'm going to take off so we can give that a try. Let me just do that quickly off camera. All right, so plastics are off, and I just wanted to show you guys a closer look at the dial for a second. The dial is gorgeous on this watch. One little detail I think is kind of cool is that extra long orange tip to the second hand. That looks really cool. This is a very nice watch, especially at the price. The cost on these, there's actually early bird pricing, and I believe it's $450 US as of today, which is lucky Friday the 13th. But I did notice on their Instagram the pricing will go up. The $450 is early bird pricing, and the pricing is going to go up in either 6 or 7 days from today. So if you're going to get one or considering one, now's kind of the time to do it. At $450, this is a total steal. Finish work, very nice on the clasp, on the whole watch, really. We do have a dive extension, and I'll get to that when I do the full video. There's also quick release, so you can swap straps very easily. Pretty good winding action. Everything just seems very well done with this watch. It's quite slender too. I believe the case is a 40mm case, so this is going to work on tons of different wrist sizes. And let's get it on wrist here actually quickly. So there it is, and I gotta say, Zelos is not messing around with their watches. This thing is seriously nice. Can't wait to get it sized. I can already tell this bracelet is gonna wear perfect. A couple of links are gonna have to come out there, but super well done job with this one. This is a beautiful watch. Both of the watches today were gorgeous, and I'm looking forward to spending time with each of them. So big thanks to both Zelos and Christopher Ward for lending in the watches. Really appreciate it. Thanks to you guys for stopping by today, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.